everyone! Today we will tell you about the history of Baiturrahman Grand Mosque.
And also we will tell you how the condition of the Baiturrahman is nowadays. Baiturrahman Grand Mosque is a mosque located in center of Banda Aceh, Aceh Province, Indonesia. Baiturrahman Grand Mosque is symbol of religion, culture, spirit, strength, triangle, and nationalism of Acehnese people. This mosque is landmark in Banda Aceh since the era of the Aceh Sultan. The original Grand Mosque was built in 1612 during the reign of Sultan Iskandar Muda. Some say the original mosque was built even earlier in 1292 by Sultan Alaidin Mahmudsyah. The original royal mosque featured a multi-tiered thatched roof, a typical feature of Acehnese architecture.
The colonial administration of the Dutch is in this attack to Kraton during the first Aceh expedition on 10 April 1873. The Acehnese people used the original Grand Mosque as a battle fortress and attacked the Dutch royal troops from inside the mosque. The Royal Dutch Army was punished by firing flares into the thatched roof of the mosque, which caused the mosque to catch fire. General van Swieten promised the local rulers he would rebuild the mosque and create a warm place for mercy. In 1879, the Dutch rebuilt the Mosque Baiturrahman as a gift to and to reduce the anger of the Acehnese. Construction only began in 1879 when the first stone was laid by Tengku Qadhi Malikul Adil, who became its first imam, and was complete on 27 December 1881 during the reign of Muhammad Daud Syah, the last Sultan of Aceh. Many Acehnese initially refused to pray at Baiturrahman because it was built by the Dutch, whom they were warring against. Nowadays, however, it is a source of pride for Banda Aceh.
The mosque survives the 2004 earthquake and the tsunami with minor damage such as wall crack. The earthquake had sliced tile and cracked the 35-meter minaret by the main gate. During disaster, the mosque served a temporary shelter for displaced persons and only reopened for prayer after 2 weeks. Before 1935, the new Baiturrahman Grand Mosque featured one dome and one minaret. At first, the mosque featured only one dome and one minaret. More domes and minarets were added in 1935, 1958, and 1982. Today, the mosque has 7 domes and 8 minarets, including the highest in Banda Aceh. Besides that, the mosque is currently being renovated. We can see that there are several umbrella here. The floor has been painted with tiles, also has a basement.
Now we will see what's in the basement. So this is the basement. We can see there is a parking lot and from the parking lot we can enter through this door. And here is a sandal storage.
There are also 4 toilets and 4 places for ablution, which consists of 2 ablution places for women and 2 ablution places for men, 2 toilets for women and 2 toilets for men. So now we will see how the ablution place is. This is the place of ablution. It consists of many faucets so that it doesn't make people queue for ablution.